Hey, what's good, RBO gang? Welcome back to another bang. You feel me? Today I got for y'all how to cut your own hair, whether you got dreads, waves, curls, whatever, dog. I got you. Now I know y'all be getting taxed out here from these barbers charging y'all 50 to 100 for a simple lineup and a fade, dog. But today I'm gonna help you keep some extra money in your pocket by doing it yourself. Now before we get started, I'm just gonna show y'all a few things you're gonna need. Real simple, real easy. Now the essential things you're gonna need when starting off is your handy brush and a handy comb. Now the brush is really gonna help you to smooth down that fade and also brush out that excess hair when using the clippers. Now for the comb, this is also going to help you to get out them naps on the sides of your fade that can build up and also help you get out them BDBs the longer your fade be. So when you're using the comb, this is going to really help you to smooth down that fade when using the clippers, and it's going to help you throughout the process. Now the other thing you're going to need is the clippers. Now these are real good investments. I advise y'all to go out to any store out there that sell clippers. I know Big Five, Target, Walmart, they sell clippers. Y'all better go get you one of these because it's really gonna save you a lot of money in the long run. Now this is a wireless clippers. This is the one that really is gonna help you to get that accurate lineup. It's gonna help you get them crispy lines when you're doing your fade that the barbers be doing. This one's really gonna help you to get it down accurately to your scalp and really smooth down that fade when you're cutting your hair. Now this one is really going to help you if you have a lot of hair. This one is the one that you use for the guards. You can also use this one for the guards, but me personally, since I've been doing my hair for a few years now, I've got it down pat to where I can do the fade without the guard. As you can see, there's a little lever on the side that you can use to pull down when you're using the fade. So while you're using it and you're going through the process, I advise you to watch a real in-depth tutorial on how to master using the clippers on your own hair. This is really a great investment because you're learning to cut your own hair. You can do it whenever you can always keep yourself looking fly instead of having to wait for barber appointments, instead of having to wait for that special barber to come in. You could always learn how to do your own hair yourself and have yourself looking really how you want to look instead of them messing up your hair or maybe not doing it the way that you want to look and leaving out the barbershop unsatisfied. So that's really all y'all need. You're gonna need a brush, a comb, and some clippers just to get started. Real simple, real great investment to save your money from these barbers out here taxing y'all. So now we're gonna get into the voiceover while I show y'all how to do this haircut. Alright, so first y'all gonna see me start off with the brush. Really, it's essential to start off with brushing your hair down to get that excess hair laid down before using the clippers so you can get all them naps out. My hair is not that long, so you just see me going brushing my chin hairs, making it all even so it can look right when I use the clippers. So I'm just getting the other side. You want to make sure you get everything, all them naps out when you're using that brush. Now we're gonna pull out the comb. This gonna be your best friend for them naps because I know y'all boys be having them naps. So you just see me combing out them naps at the longer parts of my hair to really get that fade. Hey, so now the part y'all been waiting for. Y'all see me pulling out the clippers. Now usually you would use a 1 or a 2 guard depending on the length of your hair, but I'm not using no guard. I'm just using it closed because I've been doing this for a while. So I want to make sure you start from your chin, basically the lower part of the fade going up. You can also help yourself by making a guideline just by the top of your ear. This is really going to help you to know where to get that section blended for the second part of the fade. You just want to make sure you get all that excess hair off. Now usually I will use the brush to blend it in some more, getting that fade right. But for video purposes, I was just trying to show you how I would do it. So now y'all see me using the guard on open. And now you just want to go to the second part of blending in that fade while the guard is on open, or whether you're using a 2 guard. Now I know y'all can see a lot of excess hair right there, a little bit above that second part. I purposely keep it since I have dreads. I'm not trying to purposely cut into that part. Now I'm going to push the lever to the middle, not to the open or the closed part, so I can really blend in that part in the middle of the first and the second section of doing my fade. So now you're just going to see me looking at spots to clean up. You want to make sure after using the 2 guard or using no guard that you go in and you clean up all the excess hair that you got. As y'all can see, I got some hair under my chin, grown man stuff, so I'm going in, I'm cleaning that up, getting the hair off my chin and getting the hair off my jaw. You see me cleaning it up. So now as y'all can see, I'm looking right using the brush. You want to make sure that you finish off with the brush to really smooth in that fade, you know, get all that excess hair off. And off camera I did go and clean it up some more and I did the other side. So let me know if y'all want another video on this. Y'all can see I'm looking right, jaw popping, looking like a grown man. But if you rock with this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that's all I got for y'all. RBO gang, deuces.